Hey, what is going on everybody, and welcome to the YouTube guide. I'm Riz, and today we're learning how you can make your awesome YouTube channel. But it's not just the creation of the channel, I'll also teach you how you can make awesome cover photo and profile photo. You know, basically everything you need to know in order to make an awesome YouTube channel. So let's just dive right into it. Okay, so the first things first is, in order to make a YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account. So I hope you have a Gmail account. If you don't, just sign up, it's completely free. Okay, so once you have a Gmail account, now what you wanna do is to go to the YouTube. Okay, so once you open the YouTube, you'll find something similar like this one. Okay, so you have a Gmail account. Now what you wanna do is to click on your profile icon at the top right corner and just go to the settings. As you can see in the settings, just go to settings. Now once you're in the settings, you have multiple options called channel status and features, add or manage your channels, and view advanced settings. Now what you want to do is to select the second option. Okay, assuming this is your first channel, so just click on create a channel and just type in your name in it. So for example, I'll just type it the awesome YouTube channel, right? All right, so click on I understand and just click on create. So once your channel is created, it's gonna be bare bone, nothing special, just a simple YouTube channel. Now once you create, I'll show you mine. Mine is also new. I'll show you how to get the emblems, just the little bits and pieces that will make your channel look more appealing and more awesome. Pop up the channel. All right, there you go. It's completely bare bone, and I'll show you how you can make the playlist, the graphics and stuff completely free. Also the banner, as you can see, the subscribe banner, it's awesome. All right, so the first things first is to go to this website called the CANVA. Now CANVA is a pretty awesome website. It's completely free. You don't need to download any tool or anything. You don't even need to sign up completely. All right, so what you want to do on the search bar is to type in YouTube. Now you have multiple options. You have YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art. We need a YouTube channel art. So just click on YouTube channel art. It will automatically show you a lot of free templates as well. So here you can just click free, and then you have a lot of free templates as well. Like this one, this is pretty cool. Let's just click on this one. All right, this looks pretty cool, right? It's awesome. Wow, I actually didn't know it was free. All right, so just change the name, like our YouTube channel was YouTube awesome. Sorry, awesome. You can also resize it if you want to, make it bigger or something. I suggest just keep it as is and make it the just play with it. Just play with it. Make it look like your own, and just download it by clicking on download. Once the download is complete, that's all you need to know. Just go to settings and click on the camera icon at the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Now you can just click on change and upload the photo, and that's pretty much it. Now for the display picture, I recommend using something that is similar to your channel. So in my case, this is something more related to YouTube and filmmaking and stuff like that. So I just uploaded a free photo. You can download the free photo from the Pexels. You can go to the Pexels, or there's also one more called Splash. Okay, so there's a website called Splash. You can just type in anything you like. For example, I like cameras, so just type in cameras, and there you have it. These are all free to use photos. You can just download it and make it your display pictures. I like this one a lot. You can search anything you like. It's completely free. So if I like cameras, I just typed in cameras, and that's all I got. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. See, you can also use these photos as a background picture for this one. You can just click delete image, and you can you have this photo. Let me show you. Hold on. You can, for example, you can just go to the background. You got free background. Just for example, I'll show you how you can add this one, in the background. See, just drag and drop, and you have the background as well. So that's pretty cool. Once you have the channel completely done, just upload it. Now for the last part, we need a video mark. and I will upload this specific video mark. That is a pretty cool one. It looks kind of a bigger when you're watching the video and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Now just click on view channel once you've uploaded everything, and there you have it. I apologize for that. Okay, so now there you have it. It's pretty simple. It's completely free, and it took about what, 5 minutes to do it. So yeah, that's it. That's how you make your own YouTube channel and make it more awesome. Yeah, don't forget to add about section as well. That is important as well. Let people know what your channel is all about. So welcome to the YouTube guide. I'm Riz. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood this tutorial, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. And that's pretty much it. By the way, tell me what do you think about this lighting setup. This lighting setup costed me about $15, or just a little more over $15, because this key light, you might be thinking this should have cost about $100 or something. No, it's completely cheap. So yeah, let me know if you want to know more about the cinematic lighting and how to do it for cheap, because I've seen tutorials showing you how to get the cinematic light, but nobody's showing you how expensive these cinematic lights are. So yeah, by the way, all these lights, I got these for 15 bucks. Pretty cool. So I'm Riz, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. So the next one is gonna be about cinematic lighting, so be tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.